If your compliance team is spending 40 to 60% of audit preparation time on manual evidence gathering, you already know the problem. I'm Nia Calderón, Governance, Risk, and Compliance Manager at CloneForce. In this video, I want to speak directly to enterprise leaders, compliance officers, and security teams about something that is fundamentally changing how we approach organizational risk: the concept of a clone as a risk mitigator. At CloneForce, we treat compliance as a strategic discipline, not a checkbox. That discipline is anchored in 3 globally recognized frameworks. COSO ERM guides how we set risk appetite and design our control environment across the organization. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework structures our security posture across 5 functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. And ISO 27001 governs our information security management system through a continuous plan, do, check, act improvement cycle. These 3 frameworks form the policy backbone of everything we deploy, including our clones. So what does it mean for a clone to act as a risk mitigator? A clone within our platform is a policy-driven, auditable, secure automation agent. It executes only what the policy framework authorizes. It logs every action, and it flags every deviation, turning a static compliance document into a living, real-time enforcement mechanism. Let me walk you through 4 concrete examples. First, automated audit evidence collection. Clones continuously gather, timestamp, and organize evidence against specific control requirements, delivering pre-formatted auditor-ready artifacts mapped to NIST controls, ISO 27001 clauses, and COSO monitoring activities. What once took weeks of manual effort becomes a continuously maintained, always audit-ready repository.
Second, real-time anomaly detection. Our clones are integrated across our Google Cloud platform and Microsoft Azure environment. They scan system logs, access events, and behavioral patterns using machine learning. When a deviation from policy is detected, the clone flags it, notifies the responsible risk owner, and initiates a documented response workflow, transforming reactive incident handling into proactive risk interception.
Third, secure SDLC integration. Clones are embedded directly into our software development lifecycle, assisting with threat modeling, triggering static code analysis, and enforcing peer review checkpoints before deployment. Security is woven into every release from the first line of code. Fourth, zero trust enforcement. Our infrastructure trusts no user, device, or service by default. Clones continuously verify identity and context, enforce least privilege access at every interaction, and adjust controls dynamically based on behavioral analytics. Zero trust as a living mechanism, not a one-time configuration. The result extends well beyond operational efficiency. Adaptive resilience means that as regulations evolve, our clones update rapidly to reflect new policy parameters. The organization bends without breaking. Transparency means every clone action is logged, traceable, and reportable, giving leadership, auditors, and regulators consistent, real-time evidence that controls are operating. And trust is earned through demonstrable, repeatable accountability. When clients and partners see that our automation is governed by the same frameworks that govern our human teams, they can engage with confidence. I want to be clear about one thing. Clones don't replace GRC teams. They amplify them. Risk owners define policy and set risk appetite. Clones operationalize those decisions at machine speed. I'm Nia Calderón. At CloneForce, we believe intelligent automation and rigorous compliance aren't intention, they're partners. To learn more about our GRC program or explore how clones can support your organization's risk posture, reach out to us at operations@cloneforce.com. Thank you for watching.